What's good, everybody? DJ Name 215 in the building. I'm at my storage. Today I'm going to be doing a video on unboxing the Electro-voice ELX118 passive subs. I had bought 4 of them, but I was only able to fit 3 of them inside the Ford Escape. So I only bought 3 of them. And I'm going to unbox all 3. And also, I had a Crown xls1502. I'm going to unbox that as well. And so I'm just going to unbox them all. I already have 4 of these, additional 4. I just went and ordered 4 more. So I already got 4 more sitting in my storage right now. So I got 3 of these right here, and I got the other one at home. So I'm going to do the first video of unboxing these. And then after I unbox everything, we're going to talk about the speakers, and we're going to talk about the crown. And also got a couple of crowns as well. And I'm going to go through my gear, so what we're going to do now is unboxing, and then we're going to talk about it. So further ado, let's get to it. I like to wear gloves. Sometimes the box can be a little slippery. Go ahead and grip it. So we'll unbox this first one I had. Don't get me wrong. I'm able to fit 40 subs into a Ford Escape, which is, I have the 2012 Ford Escape Limited. The last one I had was in 2002. I was able to fit all 4 subs in there. The reason I only fit 3 in there due to the size of these boxes, because these subs are inside 2 boxes. So when we get to open it, we're going to unbox all 3. So I don't need the brown boxes, so I'm just going to go ahead and just go ahead and cut it up. They got a dumpster back there. And I'll just go ahead and tear the box up. Don't mind what I just did. It's like to get it over with. And don't worry, speakers are safe. They still got, foam surroundings and everything. That's why they double box like that. So, we're going to go ahead, open an additional box. Now, these boxes right here I would keep, just in case I want to sell these later. In the next couple years or something, I want to upgrade my system. To something better. Alright, we're about to put them in. And I'll keep these in top condition. Alright, didn't so well keep them in some top condition. They will get painted over. Alright, I'm about the first one. It comes with the manual. As you can see. Passive speaker, manual. And that's plastic. these really tough to get out. All right, so what's going to happen is I'm just going to dump it on this. This is a better way to take them out. You don't want to scratch the top. So, put it on there like that. Lift the box up. There you go. Here she go. Number one. Yeah, I like that new look. This reminds me of the first four I had bought. These is my second four. And everybody loves how they sound. Everybody was asking me on about getting 8. I did want to get 8 myself before everybody asked me on doing it. That's how I was going to do it. I kind of like wanted to stick with 4, but like, no, go for the 8, go for the 8, get 8 of them. So, I even want to 8 myself, but I'm going to open the second one. We'll come to a pause real quick while I open them all up. Alright guys, I'm back. So for this video, I'm just going to unbox 2 of them for you. I'm still unbox the third one. Then when I go back to my house, I'm going to go grab the fourth one. I'm going to unbox that one too. And which is I'm going to make a second part of this video, which is I'm going to have everything lined up out here, and I'm going to show you how everything looks. But before I go, I said I got an extra part, which is the Crown xls1502. So we're going to go ahead. I already took the plastic off. It's a power cord, comes with them. I throw thicker power cords on these, get more current out of them. Because when I put this imp on bridge and run 2 of these on there, it gets the job done. But I'm gonna let you know a little secret to that. The secret to that is, I go inside these, I disconnect the low pass filters, and I run them straight. And when I run them straight, that's when I go in here and I run the EQ on low pass, and you can hit them harder, you can get a lower tune out of them. And man, these things sound phenomenal. They sound really good. But also, it comes with the manual, as you can see, so the series. Right now, my possession, I have 2 1502s. I'm waiting on my 4th 1802 to come in. Third 1802. The first one I had gotten was a 1002. The 1002, I used that for like a small event. Like I was just running 1 sub and maybe 1 top. Cause my tops are powered. So running 1 top, 1 bottom, or I'm running 1 bottom, 2 tops. I mean, the 1002, it can push 2 bottoms pretty good. You can push them pretty hard, but to a certain extent, but you can push them pretty hard. The amps won't clip. How about that? So, I'm gonna get one of the specs with this amp. It's a 1502. I'm playing about 15. I'm actually dragging a whole 1550 watts out of this. That's right, 1,550 watts. I'm just a 50 watts short because these are 400 continue and 800 program 16 peak. 800 program means you can play up to, it can take 800 watts, like no problem. So that 1550 is being split up in two, which is, let's say, it's getting about 725 out of this. I'm putting 725 into this one. I'm putting 725 into this one at 4 ohms. So basically, I'm getting at 1550. You would need actually 1650. Well, 16 even. You have 16 even, good to go. But don't get me wrong. These will really do the job. They actually push. Man. Not only if you go inside of these and disconnect the low pass filters and then run a crossover that's on the inside of this, not only you get a credible punch, you also get vibration too. Yes. People have came to me and told me they heard me blocks away. I amazed a lot of people on how these ELXs sound. I'm telling y'all now, don't sleep on these ELXs. All y'all DJs out there that's using the ELX system and the power system, I'm gonna get into that on my next video. But ELXs, they sound really good. They do produce a big sound, very big. So I'm not saying that to hype everybody up. I'm saying it because I actually have experience with these. The first 4 subs I had got back in 2014, and it's 2021. I decided to go for 4 more. So here's a good look. Crown. xls1502. It's back. Alright, and as you see, the ELX 118 passive. I'm not going to be using these very soon yet because I ain't really got no big events right now. Summer's over. But later on, I will be going inside these, disconnect the low pass filters, and run them straight like I did my other 4. So which is my next video I'm going to do. I'm going to show you with everything out here. So I'm going to cut it out here. Also, I want to give some shout outs to all the DJs out there. The last video I checked out, actually I checked out 2 of his videos and I like them. DJ Too Legit, shout out to DJ Too Legit. Also shout out to DJ Webb and DJ Bar. And it's a lot more to name. If I missed y'all, there's no, I like y'all video, I like your stuff, man. Check out more. Also, I guess that's it for now. So, DJ Name Me 215. See y'all in the next video, probably in the next hour or 2. Signing up.